Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy and simple keto mayonnaise that is absolutely delicious, extremely healthy. This mayonnaise is perfect for salads, for your sandwiches, really amazing. So join me in the kitchen. These are all the ingredients you will need to make this healthy yet simple keto mayonnaise. Avocado oil, MTC oil, organic mustard, preferably Dijon mustard, white wine vinegar, or if you prefer, apple cider vinegar, salt, lemon juice, and an organic egg that is at room temperature. The method I'm using today, I'm going to use an Immersion Hand Blender with a mixing beaker. Pour 3/4 of a cup of avocado oil into the beaker. Then add a 1/4 cup of MTC oil. If you prefer not to use MTC oil, then make sure you use a full cup of avocado oil instead of the 3/4 cup. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. To this add 1 teaspoon of mustard. This will take the mayonnaise to the next level in taste, guaranteed. Now add 1 teaspoon of white wine vinegar. Finally add a full egg. Place the immersion blender into the beaker and make sure the blade's head is at the bottom of the beaker. Right, now turn the blender on and watch as the ingredients come together and begin to change to a lighter cream color. Slowly move the blender upwards in the beaker. This will ensure that everything is thoroughly mixed together. Using avocado oil, sometimes the mixture is not quite as thick as I'd like, so what I would do is then add the egg yolk of another egg. This is simply one of the easiest ways to make the perfect, healthiest keto mayonnaise for you and your family. The great thing about making your own mayonnaise is that you will know what is going into your mayonnaise. Just look how beautiful this mayonnaise is. You can add it to your favorite salads or even to your sandwiches. Let me know in the comments section how you like this recipe. And while you are here, please hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Until next time, happy cooking.